Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something most designers overlooked: design philosophy. Not the kind that lives in the theory, but the kind that actually helps you to make better design decisions every single day. When you are designing an app, you always have hundred of ideas. Those are flying around you: features, animation, user flow, so on. But great design is not about how much you add. It's about what you choose to keep. And one simple framework helps you to make those decisions clearly: the need, want, and good to have. Okay, let's start with the need. The need is the core functionality of your product. This is the reason your product exists in the first place. If you remove it, the entire purpose of the app collapses. For example, let's take a daily planner app. The need is simple. Users should able to add, view, and manage their task easily. That's it. When you are designing this part, your focus should be on clarity, speed, and usability. How fast can someone add a task? How easily they can reorder their priorities? Can they do it with one hand on their phone? These are the questions that define the need. Every tap, gesture, or interaction should make the core flow smoother. If your core experience doesn't work, no fancy design element will save you. So always start your design process by asking, what is the most single important things that my user wants to accomplish? That's your foundation. Next come want. The want is where delight meets purpose. It's what user consciously desire, not just what they need. It's about making experience enjoyable, not just functional. In our daily planner example, want could be mood tracking that adjusts your daily goal based on your energy level. Custom theme or wallpaper that could reflect user or maybe user style. Motivational quote popping up when you are completing a goal. These don't make or break your app, but they make users want to come back. When designing for wants, you need to think emotionally. You need to ask, how can I make this feel human? What will make user using the product, not just need it? And always remember, emotion is retention. If your users feel something, they will remember your app and they will come back. And finally, the good to have. This is the layer where designers often get carried away. These are the things that looks great on Dribble but might not actually help users. Things like overly complex micro animations, too many personalization settings, features that add more decision, not more value. Now, good to have elements can still enhance your product experience if you use strategically. But the rule is simple. They should not never get in the way of the need and the want. Always prioritize function first, emotion second, and aesthetic third. Because no one open an app just to admire your UI. They open it to get something done. So before you add another interaction or fancy gradient, ask yourself, is this solving a problem or just adding a noise? That's it. To sum it up, great design comes down to balance. You design for what users need, that makes it useful. You design for what they want, that makes it lovable. And you add what's good to have, that makes it memorable. If you can master this hierarchy, you will not only create better design, you will create product that people actually want to use every single day. This framework helps me decide what to include, what to remove, and when to stop designing. Because design is not what you add, it's what you choose not to add. Thanks for watching. And if you want to understand more about how people think and behave around design, check out my Design of Everyday Thing video series, link in the description. It's a gold mine for anyone who wants to design product truly work for people. See you in the next one.